It's your boy DK underscore typical TV, and today we got a fluid sim pneumatic and hydraulic simulation for the final. So the point of this final is so essentially we're making this whole program schematic of two double acting cylinders being operated, and so we're the main objective of this final is to have cylinder A, obviously is the first cylinder, will extend and will toggle a limit switch in this case to activate cylinder B to extract out or extend out. And then once cylinder B is fully extended, it hits another switch, which will be reed switch 2 in this case, and another one will be reed switch 1, but they're just limit switches in this case. So once cylinder B hits the reed switch 2, both cylinders will retract at the same time, and then once they do, the program will essentially be restarting itself over and over again. So once both two cylinders retract back in, the first cylinder will trigger and extend out to hit the limit switch, hits its reed sensor will hit that one, and then it will activate cylinder B to extend out, and then once that one hits again, rinse and repeat, and they both come back and on and again. As you can see, now I'm running the program, and so when you see the program running, you see in the bottom schematic, which is essentially the electrical side of pneumatics. So we have the stop, we have the start, and we have that latch, so that's able to continuously, so the process will continue to stop, will continue to go until the stop button is pressed. As you can see, we have solenoids to solenoid, obviously in the right spot. So that square in the middle, which is essentially the optical sensor, we have it set to the limit switch 2, which will be at the end when the cylinder is fully retracted back. So once that gets a certain limit, that activates it and it will extend out, and like I said, it will hit the reed switch at the end and activate the cylinder B, and once B is fully extended, it will retract both of them, as you can see right now, and it'll repeat the cycle over again until the stop button is pressed. But once the stop button is pressed, it will continue its final cycle, which it'll extend out and then stop, or it'll retract and stop.